Nice. Hi.
So how are you doing today? Good?
Good. Just.
Give me some time. Yeah, just what? You were saying something, Akash.
No. Just going well. Everything fine today.
Okay, good to know. So can you, I have just gone, I have not been able to go through your resume. So can you just walk me through it fast? Tell me something about yourself.
Yeah. First of all, thank you for considering my profile and giving me this opportunity. I am Akash Gajpure, Senior Test Engineer. After completing my graduation, I have joined Prognostics of Solutions Private Limited, Pune, where I worked for 3 years and 3 months as a test engineer. And after that, I have joined IDC Technologies Private Limited, where I worked for 1 year and 8 months as a senior test engineer. During my career, my major roles and responsibilities were test scenarios identification, then test case designing, test case execution, then defect logging and reporting, interaction with the client, participating in daily stand-up and meetings, then providing KT to the juniors, and also reporting to the higher management regarding daily tasks. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a very crisp, very small introduction or just information about yourself. That's good. So you currently stay in Nagpur or Koperkhem?
Copper Chennai.
Okay. So you are from Nagpur, but your permanent address shows Nagpur.
Yes, that is hometown.
And here in Koperkhem?
We are on rent.
Acha, so you have moved to Mumbai.
Yes, with family.
So you'll be staying in Koperkhem itself.
Yes.
Okay. So do you know this company? Did Pooja tell you something about our company? What is it about? Where are we located?
Yeah, not about the location, just I go through the mail that SEBI registered advisory.
Okay.
Yeah, and involved in that means I checked that mail.
Okay. So we are located in Malad. Actually, it is between Goregaon and Malad.
Yeah.
So I don't know. It will be a little far for you from Koperkhem. So that's the reason I asked whether you'll be staying in Koperkhem.
I'm thinking if everything goes well, I can relocate there also to the central western.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you are staying here with family.
Yeah, with wife.
Okay.
Yes.
Both can relocate. ठीक है. So tell me something that you have already worked upon. Because here I see you speak about LOS and LMS, and you have also done Bank of Montreal capital markets.
Yes.
So can you tell me something about it, about the capital market domain that you worked, or the investment banking domain that you worked?
In my earlier project, I worked with project BMO Capital Market.
Okay.
That was
That is Bank of Montreal.
Yeah, Bank of Montreal. I was engaged in the means front end, and
Go ahead.
and about LOS and LMS, I was just working in the last organization for Abdul Latif Jamil Saudi Arabia's project. That was auto finance, but that was I worked for 7 to 8 months, just it. Now talking about the capital market, I was engaged in the front office, where my major roles and responsibilities to derive all the scenarios, positive and negative scenarios of the UI, and then order placements, and majorly worked on funds.
Okay.
I was involved in.
Okay, what order placements you're talking about regarding the market?
Yeah, means
Trade.
sorry.
Trade. What type of market?
Orders. I was saying orders. Means market order, limit order, the order placement now while trading. That's stop loss, limit, SLM, and market orders, watch list also. Means I was saying that I was engaged in these functionalities for that.
have to be a little more specific.
I mean, you are saying to describe the orders or just throughout the process?
No, throughout the process.
Okay, okay. Means I was engaged in the UI when you considering a investor wants to purchase the securities from the market. He will log into the broker account and then,
So, Akash, the application that you're talking about, who had developed the application?
sorry, means
No, the application that you work. See, here we are talking about the Bank of Montreal, right?
Correct.
So there you're talking about the capital market. In the front office, you're working on the front office
yes,
application of BMO, Bank
Correct.
of Montreal.
correct.
Correct. So there, who had developed the application? The software that you're working on, who had developed that application?
No, I don't have that idea who developed that software. Just my role was to check or test the functionalities.
That was so you were working for Prognotics software.
Yes,
So they had this project.
yes, yes. Under this organization, I got a chance to work on this BMO capital market.
Okay, go ahead and tell me something about your work that you did there with BMO.
Yeah. So when
So, just sorry to cut you, Akash. Here it also says that the duration is 31st. So you have already quit IDC also.
yeah, 31st July last working day.
Achha, so now are you working somewhere?
No, immediate joiner.
Okay. Oh, that's good for us. But why so? I mean,
No,
was there any problem?
No, I was on contract.
अच्छा, with IDC.
हाँ, with IDC के मतलब वो एक्सपायर हो गया था.
Got it. Okay, so let's start with the last project in IDC, Noida. You were working on what project?
LOS, Abdul
That
Latif
is loan
Jamil, originating system.
Okay.
That is Abdul Latif Jamil Financial Services, Saudi Arabia. I was in group like Middle East of New Gen
So
client.
since 22 till 31st of July, you were working on LOS.
No. From 22 December, I was on IOCL, Indian Oil, Pragati Maidan, Delhi. I was there also for UAT, 2 months. And this Abdul Latif Jamil was assigned to me in February 2014. 2024.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just 2-3 months you worked on IOC and then you moved to Abdul Latif Jamil.
No, IOCL 1 year, 1 month. From 2022 December. I think you. Hello? Sir, you are stuck. Hello? 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 Hello?
तुझ्या मोबाईलमध्ये
नहीं बंद है.
वायफाय बंद कर.
हेलो माझा मोबाईल बंद आहे. हेलो
दोन दिवस कसे कनेक्ट दाखवतात.
हेलो लेफ्ट केली मीटिंग लेफ्ट केली त्यांच्याकडूनच काही इश्यूज.
Can you hear me?
Yes sir. Now
Yeah, there is some issue with the place where I'm sitting currently. So sorry for keeping you on hold. There is no network out here, so I've joined with my mobile. But you can continue. You were saying something about IOCL and Abdul Jamil Latif, right?
Yes, Abdul
Abdul Latif Jamil.
Abdul Latif
Okay,
Jamil.
so with IOCL, what was the domain that you were working on?
Oil and gas. Means they were
So oil and
automating
gas.
their tender management process. So that's where I was working.
Okay. 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 Wonderful. Another a new domain actually.
Yes.
So tell me something. Have you worked on more of treasury? Have you heard of treasury as a market or treasury as a domain? Have you worked on it?
No, I have not worked on it, but just I have means I'm taking knowledge about this because I heard and it's needed in the capital market also, but I have means not got the chance to work on it, especially treasury. Hello.
Um, yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, but sir, your voice is very low.
Okay. Is it okay now?
Yeah, it's better.
Okay. So. Okay, so let's go ahead. So you have worked on capital market. So can you tell me something about capital market?
Yes, sir. Capital market is a place where buyers and sellers are engaged or come together for the exchange of or the purchasing of market securities like shares, bonds, derivatives, commodities. Nowadays, cryptocurrencies also.
Okay, okay, wonderful. Have you done any certification in testing?
Sir, I am preparing for ISTQB and I was given one great learning application exam, but that is online application. I think that is not means accredited or any recognized university under, but yeah, I have given that and preparing for ISTQB.
Okay. So as you're preparing for ISTQB, can you tell me what is SDLC? Have you heard of SDLC?
Yes, sir.
What it is?
Yes, sir. Yeah, software development life cycle. It is the process of complete development of a software.
Mhm. So can you tell me about the stages of it?
Yes, sir. It starts with the requirement gathering from the client or the customers, then SRS creation or SRS analysis, which includes the.
What is this?
Yes, yes. I'm elaborating it. When the requirements captured from the client are documented in a documents, so that the team can work on it from the SRS document. Then SRS analysis is there. The SRS documents is analyzed by the team so that they can work efficiently and as per the requirements. Then designing is there. Designing high level and low level functionality designs there. After that, the coding phase is there, where developer develops the code, and after that testing is there. Majorly QA are involved to test the functionality and whether the product is matching as per the requirement, and then maintenance. So these are the stages of SDLC.
Okay. Good. So regarding manual testing,
Yes, sir.
you have also worked on automation.
No, sir.
It's only on manual. is it?
Only manual. I'm learning automation now.
Okay. What product you learn?
Sir, Selenium with Java.
Can you tell me something about the advantages of testing or manual testing as compared to automation?
So talking about advantages, manual testing gives us the customer satisfaction can be provided much more, and a human touch can be provided only by manual testing to the client. This is the first advantage, I think. Then
Okay.
yeah, and I'm talking about the advantages. Sir, for nowadays motivation. Sir, this is I think the major advantage of the manual testing as
Okay.
of now.
Okay.
Hmm.
Can you tell me something about automation then?
So, with the help of automation, we can reduce errors of human errors for the repetitive testing. And with automation, we can test multiple times any functionality, so that we can cover multiple aspects also. That is the main advantage of the automation, as per my understanding.
Okay. Here I'm just going through, in the meantime, going through your resume also side by side. Here you're talking about you have also worked on Jira, Bugzilla, uh, and have you have also used ALM?
Yes, sir. In previous organization, I got chance to use ALM. Yeah, and in current organization, we were using Excel only.
Acha, even for all the types of test scenarios or test cases.
Sir, HPLM.
No, how did you write test scenarios, test cases?
On Excel in last organization. Everything was on Excel. Bug tracking also on Excel. Test scenarios on also Excel.
Okay, so here you have mentioned that you have used Jira or else Bugzilla. So that you have not used for even for defect tracking. Today is the
No.
defect.
Yeah, that used in the first organization, prognostic software.
Okay, have you done something which is called as RTM? Have you heard what is RTM?
So I have heard but not performed that. I think requirement traceability matrix is that.
Yes, correct. So, what do you know about it? I mean, you haven't worked or you haven't done it
By my
Excel.
own. No. Sir, requirement traceability matrix means we ensure the maximum requirement coverage with the in the traceability matrix to ensure we are not missing any
How would
requirement.
you do that? If I mean, see, as you spoke about, tracking the requirement and considering that you have covered all the requirements that are given in the document. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible. And
So, in Excel, if we are not tracking it, how would you check that all the points in the requirement are covered in our test scenarios or the test cases that we have designed?
sir, I don't have, because I by my own I have not prepared that, so I am unable to.
Somebody else would have prepared.
Yes, sir.
So, from where do you get the test scenarios, or you
Yes, sir.
you design on your own, or how is it? How does it? How do you do it?
In the last 3 or 4 months, my major role was to develop scenarios in ALJ project. Earlier, the scenarios were given by the lead test lead.
So, as you told about ALG project,
Yes, sir.
how did you start with writing the test scenarios?
Sir, they arrange there was a call with the client from their QA team, and I was involved in that, and we combinedly creating scenarios, SIT scenarios, especially.
So you were part of SIT.
Yes.
Wonderful. So you have worked. I mean, this project or this company that you worked on, they were on agile methodology.
Yes, sir.
And have you also worked on DBs, database, and SQL?
Yes, sir. I have knowledge and performed, not in depth, but I have performed DB also. Executed some of the queries.
Okay. Okay. So now tell me that you have worked only, you have used only Excel. So
Yes, sir,
in
most of
Excel, how good you are at formulas?
uh,
I think the network is bad. Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
sir. Sir, basic arithmetic formulas I know. Then pivot tables also. VLOOKUP, but I'm practicing that VLOOKUP very much, and considering Indian formulas. Yes, sir. I can means manage the formulas things also.
Okay, okay, no issues on this. Okay, I think I'm almost done with this that I have.
Yes, sir.
So I mean, you are readily, you can join the company as soon as possible because you're not working anywhere at this point of time.
Yes.
So how much is the expectation that you have? Or how much was the last drawn and the expectation?
Sir, last was 7.19 LPA CTC, and I am considering
Including any bonus or anything?
no bonus, only CTC, and considering 9 in hand.
So that's your expectation.
Yes, I am expecting that.
Okay, okay, no issues. So that I think so we can take, the HR can take a call on it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, any questions for me?
Sir, exactly in Malad, where it is?
Sorry, what was it?
Location in Malad, exactly where it is? Means
So this is between Malad and Goregaon West. Towards Infinity Mall. You know Infinity or Inorbit Mall?
Yes.
You must have heard the Infinity
Yes,
Inorbit
yes.
Mall. So when you go from east to west, in between you will get a company. I mean the IT park that we have. It's Technoplex IT park. We also have a small office in Mahape, but then for QA team, we would want them to sit here in Malad so that they can deal with the developers day in, day out.
Okay. All means headquarter is at Malad.
Yes.
Okay. And sir, means how much round will be there if everything goes well?
I think more 2 rounds. You might have to come once for a face-to-face interview as well.
No issue.
Once everything goes ahead. We have a couple of more candidates as well whom other teams are also going through. So let's see how everybody gives their feedback so we can take it forward from there.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Nice talking to you,
Okay,
sir.
Akash.
Thank you,
Nice
sir.
talking to you. All the best.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Same to you.
हा करते तरी सेव